Basically, I just boil my kettle and I'm going to make I'm going to be making a Cumin. This is Cumin seed. This is the seed one. And also, you got Cumin powder right here, which is very, very good. Popular in the Asian market. A lot of Asian people like to use it for their cooking. All right. But also, it's very good for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. All right. Now I'm going to be making a lovely cup of Cumin tea this morning with Cumin, lemon or lime, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. If you like to, you can also add a little bit of organic honey in it. So what the organic honey will do, it will definitely work good with the Cumin seed and the apple cider vinegar and the lemon. Yeah, so we're going to mix both together and drink it. It's like, no, you know what I mean, when you wake up first thing in the morning, this is what you want to do. You want to drink this first thing early in the morning. All right, guys. So let's dig into it and make a nice lovely cup of Cumin tea. All right, stay tuned. Nice one. So basically, I'm just gonna be using a glass. Now I'm gonna use a mug, but you guys can see exactly what's going on in the glass. All right. So what I'm gonna do is get a nice, lovely teaspoon of the cumin powder. All right. Straight inside of it. You got this is the other one which you can use cumin seed or you can use the powder one. All right. But I'm just gonna be using the powder one because I'm already have it ready, so it's better for me. Why not using the powder one? But also you can use the seed one. I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do with the seed one. It's better for you to boil it still, but you can draw it. So if you get a teaspoon of the seeds, and just pour it into some hot water in it like this, and just like this. All right. Get some apple cider vinegar. I got some lemon and I got some lime, so I'm gonna be using some lime. Squeeze some lime in it. You can use some honey in it if you want, but me personally, I don't like to put a lot of sweetness in my tea, but you can use some honey if you like to. All right, organic honey is better. All right, guys. Yeah. So what you can do with this one is you can either boil it or you can jar it like this. Let's put a piece of cling film over it and leave it for rough about 4 to 5 minutes and leave it for it to jar. But this one, you can just drink it on its own. Yeah, this is the cumin seed powder one, and this is the normal one. All right, guys. So Very, very tasty. And this one, I love it so much. Oh, yeah, beautiful. But to be honest, I like to drink. I would prefer strain it because you don't want to drink too much of this with it. Cause look at that, like the powder. You know what I mean? You don't want that to go in the urine section. So it's better for you to strain it and get rid of some of that five off of it. You know what I mean? But as I said, very, very healthy and good for weight loss. So with this one, after 5 minutes, you can just simple remove the cling film. And very, very good in the Asian section. They love to use it. The Asian and the Indian, they always use this in the curry, in the cooking. Really nice. So what we're going to do now is strain it. That smaller strainer, that's what I need. Alright, now, simple. Let's run it through my strainer. Alright. That's it. Very, very easy. Just to pour it out, make you guys can see. You drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here it is. Beautiful. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more ideas and recipe like this. See you next time. Bye bye. You might have said Chef Ricardo didn't give you a lot of ideas on it, but as I say, I got a lot of video on my YouTube channel about cumin seeds and cumin powder. You can do some research by googling what's the benefit of cumin seed on the powder. Alright, it's easy. All you have to do, use a smartphone and Google it, and you can come up with a lot of different ideas for cumin seed. Very good in cooking also.